everyone, welcome to Sunshine Yoga. My name is Rashmi and today's video is second from the series Come and Practice with Me. So in today's video we're gonna cover full body stretches, some very simple but very powerful stretches for your body. Anyone from all the age groups can do these stretches. So we're gonna do these stretches sitting in the Sukhasana position, but if you find it difficult to sit in Sukhasana for a longer time, you can sit on a chair and do all these stretches. So bring on your mat and practice with me. So come to a comfortable cross-legged seating position or the Sukhasana position. Adjust yourself, make yourself comfortable, close your eyes, both your hands rested on the knees, palms facing up. We will start with a few abdominal breaths first. Inhale, feel your stomach expanding. Exhale, belly going in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Relax, slowly open your eyes. We will start with the neck exercises first. So we will do neck up and down, side to side, and then do rotations. So just start with me. So inhale, take your head up and back. Exhale, slowly down. Don't keep your eyes closed. I need to close this because there is sun straight above my head. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 3 more times. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Very nice. Inhale, up. Exhale, slowly down. One last time. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Relax, back to center. Now we will do side to side. So inhale, turn your head right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. Inhale, right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. Inhale, right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. 3 more times. Inhale, slowly right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. Last 2. Inhale, right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. One last time. Inhale, right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. Relax. Let's start with the neck rotation. So we will do 6 rounds of clockwise and 6 rounds of anti-clockwise. Let's start. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 2. 3. Again, keep your eyes open. 4. Keep your movement slow. 5. And one last time. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Relax. Come back to center and start anti-clockwise. Inhale, up. Exhale, back. 2. 3. 4. exhale, center, relax, come back to center. So this was all about the neck stretches. Let's start with the shoulders. So keep your hands on the knees like this only, and then start rotating your shoulders clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Start. 1, 2, 3, go slow, 4, 5, and 6. Lovely. Go anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one last time. Here you go. 6. Relax. We are going to do one more shoulder stretch. So what you have to do, inhale, taking your shoulder up towards your ear, and exhale slowly down. Relax your shoulder. So let's start. Let's do 6 of these. Inhale, take your shoulders up, stretch towards your ears. Exhale down and relax your shoulders. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, 3 up, exhale down. Inhale, 4 up, exhale down. Inhale, 5 up, exhale down, and one last time. Inhale, 6 up and exhale down. Relax. Now time for triceps stretch. Take your right hand, keep that on your left shoulder. Now the push elbow of this hand with opposite hand. Stretch and push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Exhale, come back, relax, change your side. Now left hand on the opposite shoulder and start pushing the elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Relax. Now it's time for some nice spine stretching. Inhale and take both your hands up above your head. Interlock your finger nicely and stretch your arms up. Longer your spine and stretch your spine up. Open your rib cage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring your hands back. We will do it one more time. Inhale, take both your arms up. Interlock your finger and stretch your arms up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, relax, bring your hands down. So let's do some side stretches. Left arm on the side. Inhale, right arm up, and exhale, drop it towards your right. Hold for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up, exhale slowly down. Change your side. Now this time right arm on the side. Inhale, left arm up, and exhale, drop it to the right. Stay there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale up and exhale down. Relax. So let's do some upper back stretches. I'm just turning to my side so that you can see it properly. Now inhale, roll your shoulders back, interlock your fingers and stretch your arms back. Look up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, come back slowly. We will do it one more time. Inhale, roll your shoulder back, interlock your fingers and stretch your arms back. Look up. Hold for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, exhale and come back. Now both hands stretch in the front with fingertips on the mat or on the floor and start walking forward. Walk forward, forward, forward and slowly come back. We'll do it one more time. Feeling good, right? Go forward as much as you can and slowly come back. Now this time, move forward and go to your right. Feeling nice, right? Make a circle, go to the left. Very nice. Come back to the center and walk back. This was good, right? Okay, let me come back to the center. So let's do some spinal twisting. Left arm on the right knee, left arm on your back, and twist your spine and look back over your right shoulder. Hold for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Come back, change your side. Now right hand on the left knee, left arm back, and look onto your left shoulder. 6, 5, keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Come back. Already feeling good. So let's stretch your arms in the front. Make a fist and start rotating your wrist. 1, slowly. 2, nice small circles. 3, 4, 5, 6. Start opposite. 1, 2. Make sure you are rotating just the wrist and not the arms. 5 and 6. Relax. Now both arms stretched on the sides 180 degrees. Start making small circles with your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Start opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Relax. Come back. Now stretch your both legs in the front. Sit straight. Sit with your back straight, head straight. So what we're gonna do is to loose and tight our muscles. Okay? So inhale, tighten all your leg muscles. Exhale, loose. Inhale, tight. Exhale, loose. Inhale, tight. Exhale, loose. 3 more times. Inhale, tight. Exhale, loose. 2 more. Inhale, tight. Exhale, loose. One last time. Inhale, tight. And exhale, loose. Relax. Come to butterfly position, wherein both feet are towards each other, facing each other. Now this is for the hip opening. Now hold your both feet with your hands and start moving your knees up and down. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's do 20, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Relax. Again, stretch your both legs out in the front. Now keep your left leg on the right thigh. We will do some ankle rotation. Ankles are very important, guys. So let's start rotating your ankles. 1, nicely. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Very nice. Start opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Come on, change your side. Now left leg straight, right leg on the left thigh. Start moving your ankles clockwise first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One last time, opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Relax, release your leg. Now this time bend your right knee and hug your right knee nicely. Exhale and bring it even closer to your chest. Nicely. Love your knee, hug your knee and release. This time left leg hug your left knee. Exhale, bring it closer to your chest. Nicely. And release. Now let's hug both our knees. Bend your both knees. And hug your knees nicely. Feel nice. Feel beautiful. Close your eyes this time and drop your head on your back. Exhale. Now drop your head on your knees. Touch your nose with your knees. Inhale up. Now turn your head to the right. Center. Left. And then center. Relax. So this was all about it. Did you enjoy? Does your body feel nice? So let me know everything in the comment box below. I want to know how did you feel about the practice today. I really enjoyed practicing with you all, guys. And if you like this video, please share it as much as you can. Thanks a lot from all my heart if you have already subscribed Sunshine Yoga. But if you haven't, please click that subscribe button now and subscribe Sunshine Yoga. If you have any comments, feedback, you can always let me know in the comment box below or on my social media handles. Till then, keep practicing, stay healthy and stay happy. Thank you. Namaste.